All right, guys, told you, most exciting video you're gonna watch all year. Let's watch water travel out of a burette. Okay, we're just gonna fill it up first, all the way to the top. And all I'm going to do is I am going to take 5 mils. I'm just gonna mark where the 5 mil increment is. So every time 5 mils have passed, I'll just say 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's going to be your change in concentration. Because remember that your goal in this is to tell me what rate. Is it 0 order, 1st order, or 2nd order is water traveling out of a burette. Okay. So we are now at the 0. I'm going to use this one right here to show you that we are at the 0. So you can see that that meniscus is at 0. I'm going to start it rolling, and then I'm just going to follow with this iPad. Okay? So I'll say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, all the way to 50. And then you are responsible to create the data table. You are responsible to do the 3 graphs and to tell me what order equation this is based on your graphical evidence. All right, here we go. No, it's not here we go. You need a mark. So, we're back at 0. I'll show you we're back at 0. There it is. All right. And go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, graph that data and tell me which order. See you in class.